In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to embed Google Calendar into Notion. You can add Google Calendar into Notion without installing additional apps. All you need to do is make it public and get the embed code. First, go to Google Calendars. Then click the cog icon, then Settings. Now choose your calendar. Under Access Permissions for Events, click the checkbox to make your calendar public. Scroll down and find the embed code. There's a Customize button here, so make the necessary changes, and when you're done, copy the embed code above the calendar. Next, go back to Notion. Press the slash key followed by EMB and press Enter. Paste the code here and you're done. Do know that it's not editable, and your calendar is completely public, so if you have a privacy concern, you probably want a different way to do it. Go to a third-party widget website. I usually go to Indify for widgets. In Indify, find the Google Calendar widget. Click it and name it. Now sign in with Google and give it the necessary permissions. You can make adjustments to it on the left sidebar, and when you're done, you can get the embed code found on the bottom left corner. Then go to Notion. Type in slash followed by EMB. Press Enter, then paste the embed code. You have successfully embedded Google Calendar into Notion. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.